An exceptional showcase of pride of ownership, welcome to 69 Grandview Street North, a 4-bedroom executive bungaloft backing onto a ravine setting within Oshawa's Eastdale neighbourhood. The front facade has been beautifully finished with stone and is complemented with extensive stone landscaping in the front yard. Also featuring a double-car garage, the home has 2 separate front entrances. The secondary entrance is ideal for everyday use and opens into a ceramic-tiled hall that provides direct access into the lower level, while the double-door entry offers a more formal welcome into the home. Through this entry, half walls graced with decor columns invite you into the formal living room. This naturally bright entertaining space has a huge bay window with beautiful outdoor views and hardwood flooring laid on the diagonal, which can also be seen in the formal dining room and the hallway to the master bedroom. And the foyer space is illuminated by an exquisite chandelier suspended from a cathedral ceiling, which has an arched window transom for additional brightness. Along the hallway to the master bedroom is a coat closet, a 4-piece washroom with an acrylic bath and shower area, as well as a cozy second bedroom finished with soft broadloom, ample closet storage, and an oversized window with ravine views. The master bedroom itself showcases hardwood flooring, decorative crown moldings, a walk-in closet, and a corner electric fireplace, while through garden doors is its own private balcony overlooking the ravine, and is also a wonderful space to enjoy the main backyard perennial garden during the warm weather months. The 6-piece ensuite washroom has a relaxing aura, ambiently brightened with a hurricane-style light fixture, and features a vanity with integrated countertop and basins, a jetted tub with a ceramic backsplash, toilet and bidet, and an acrylic shower area with sliding glass doors. There are 3 separate French door entries into the dining room, a double set of doors open off the formal foyer space, and the other entries are from the side foyer and the kitchen. Enhancing the elegance of this beautiful entertaining space is its classic light fixture, while its huge south-facing window has an arched transom and vaulted ceiling above it for additional brightness. The kitchen's breakfast area has a huge bay window with breathtaking outdoor views, as well as a second window above the sink, both which bring natural lighting into this crisp, clean workspace. The exceptional cabinetry storage is complemented with a standalone pantry, a corner display shelf, as well as a wine rack. The floor and backsplash are finished with ceramic tiles. There is plenty of counter space with the addition of a center work island, and the kitchen is complete with fridge, stove, dishwasher, and a stainless steel double sink with a drain board. Adjacent to the kitchen is the laundry room, which comes with a dryer and 2 washing machines, has a double closet, and provides access to the garage. While off this room is the main level's 3rd bedroom, which also has a double closet as well as a linen closet. The breakfast area has a French door entry to the side foyer hallway, off of which is a carpeted staircase to the upper level loft space. Finished with cozy broadloom throughout, this second level room has a vaulted ceiling, north and south facing windows, and is ideal as a family recreation space or as a second master bedroom with a sitting area, and is complete with a full 4-piece washroom as well as a large walk-in closet. The main and loft levels of this home showcase just under 2,100 square feet of living space, while the fully finished lower level brings approximately 1,500 square feet of additional living space. and the entire home has a harmonious color palette with white trims and accents for a fresh, airy feel throughout. Another French door opens to the carpeted lower ground level staircase, which has a hardwood handrail on one wall and its other wall papered with a textured arabesque design. Most of this level is finished with high-quality wide plank laminate flooring with a neutral grey tone, and along the north wall are oversized windows for exceptional outdoor views while flooding the rooms in abundant natural lighting. The main recreation area is divided into two spaces. The first room makes a lovely sitting or conversation area, and although separate from the larger room, has a wall cutout as well as a French door entry to maintain an openness with it. The size of the larger room is ideal for entertaining and has garden doors onto a backyard deck, as well as a wood-burning stove with a brick hearth and accent walls in its northwest corner. Behind a set of double doors off this space is a spa-like washroom with a walk-in jacuzzi tub, a Euro vanity, and a relaxation niche with a contemporary chandelier, as well as a separate bonus room ideal as a workspace or with potential as a bedroom. In addition to great storage space, including a large cold room, this level also has built-in bookshelves by the staircase, an elegant powder room finished with dark stained chair rail and crown moldings which contrast beautifully with its pastel blue color palette, another walkout to the backyard, and through a French door entry is a spacious family room with laminate flooring. Immaculately maintained inside and out, lovingly nurtured over the years is the extensive perennial gardens surrounding the home. The front yard has numerous beds filled with beautiful evergreens and shrubs, interspersed with splashes of color from a variety of flowering plants and shrubs, and the backyard is no exception. A stunning summertime oasis, the gardens and the ravine can be easily appreciated from the back deck or master bedroom balcony, as well as from a stone patio by the pond and its soothing waterfall. Lush and bursting with color, the gardens are balanced with open lawn space for outdoor play and enjoyment, and the yard also has a vegetable garden, a storage shed, as well as gated access from the west side of the property. Backing onto Keewatin Park and a beautiful ravine setting, this home is close to schools, public transit, the Harmony Creek Community Centre, and a shopping plaza, while the Donovan Recreation Complex, the Harmony Creek Golf Course, Lakeridge Health Oshawa Hospital, access to Highway 401, and the Oshawa Centre Mall are all short drives away.